Be ready? Start. A question of frequent recurrence and of some significance involving the legal implications and the impact of an order rejecting a petition seeking grant of special leave to appeal under Article 136 of the Constitution of India has arisen for decision in this appeal. Stop. The Kerala Private Forests Vesting and Assignment Act 1971, Act 26 of 1971, hereinafter referred to as the Act for short, was enacted by the state of Kerala to provide for the vesting in the government of private forests in the state of Kerala and for the assignment thereof to agriculturists and agricultural laborers for cultivation. Stop. The Act and the assent of the President on the Act were both published in Kerala Government Gazette Extraordinary dated 23/8/1971. Stop. The Act was given a retrospective operation by declaring that it shall be deemed to have come into force on the 10th day of May 1971. Stop. We are not concerned with the details of several provisions contained in the Act. Stop. For our purpose, it would suffice to notice that the disputes whether any land is a private forest or not, or whether any private forest or portion thereof is vested in the government or not, may be entrusted for decision under Section 8 to a tribunal constituted under Section 7 of the Act, popularly known as Forest Tribunal. Stop. The government or any person objecting to any decision of the tribunal may, within a period of 60 days from the date of that decision, appeal against such decision to the High Court under Section 8A of the Act. Stop. Over. Dictation from legal matters to 50 words at the speed 90 WPM. Outlines are given at the end of the dictation.